State Food Testing Laboratory hapok ka Commissariat of Food Safety Migaya Mynta ka sengi ka apulai tarik ulbe Japunriu kala plaj pajba ya atri ki kor machine ban pej benia ya Jingbam bat ka ya kini ki atri ki bor machine ki bakan tup ka automatic water analyzer bat ka GCFID lani ka gas chromatograph with flame ionization detector la pli pajba dau menteri ka tanat ka koj ka kia ka jela ba wailat miki sila Mynta ka sengi State Food Testing Laboratory Lomeli Shillong. Kani ka automated water analyzer kan yarap ban examine kloy bat pej beni ia ke jinsinga nya ka ke bagi breu ke di hakal yang gejela. Kat ba ka GCFID pat kan yarap ban test ya ki pengit baim ni ki organic compound ke ba kan tup ia ka kleng ke jingbang jong ka bat ban test ru ia ke Jingkhleh Kyiad. Menteri Ketenaga Kerja Kyiad kajela ba wailat miki ong ba kajingdon jong kini atli ki kol mesin kan nang yarap ya kulkom trikam ke bapaka ban pej benia ya ke Jingbam jingdi uba wailat wa ongro ban tes ya ke bam kalong ke badon kam ha ban yada na ka jingkot jingkhia wa ban juru halo ka jingdon kam ban ai ya ke jing persutu pajba halo kumnu ban lek khuat ya ke bam kadi ha ka juga po ba wailat wa pentip bak soka ka amang sau kru ndu phuai lak tengka na benta ban te ya ka R&D Center ha State Food Testing Laboratory. Hakane kesinga yo ke jingkren now additional chief secretary sempat kuma ka deputy commissioner ka iska sihir ka kongroset Mary Korba bat kuai.
Test the presence of steroids. So this instrument can be used for antibiotic testing, steroid testing, because there's a lot of adulteration in chicken meat. So this is one of the instruments that can be used. So this entire department.
So the sample you are testing, the sample which is FSO collect.
So there are samples.
And other people also can come and get
People
their
also there,
sample test.
So the sample that comes to this department is the sample coming from the food safety officer, that is one. Then we also have government sample, we have outbreak samples, we have general public. Maximum of the sample actually comes from general public. And most importantly, these instruments are useful for entrepreneurs, because if they have to test outside for LCMS, I think they have to pay around 12,000 per sample. But here we do not charge them as it till now.
The most important thing is to give awareness. Because everything, if we could treat it at the earliest, the impact is going to be less. So this is very much important, and once again I will congratulate and I hope to see